Yo, Lionel, what's for lunch?
Ciao Bella, today I'm gonna make gnocchi, pumpkin gnocchi alla quattro formaggi with baby spinach.
What's that in English?
Basically, it's just pumpkin gnocchi for cheese lah.
Ah, okay. Okay, start with what?
Okay, to start off, I'm gonna cook my pumpkin gnocchi, all handmade. If you cannot make your own gnocchi, you can always buy from cold storage.
Okay, they have?
They always have.
Oh, okay.
Just look for gnocchi. They even have ravioli. But I don't recommend. Okay, so I'm gonna cook it. Okay, how do you know your gnocchi is cooked? Very simple. It's like tang yuan. Tang yuan will float, right? After it cook, right? Yeah, same thing for gnocchi. Exactly the same. What I have inside is actually pumpkin, one potato, and of course Parmesan cheese, flour, and one egg. Now I'm gonna melt my blue cheese. This is smelly cheese. You can use gorgonzola. You can use Danish blue. So. You can find gorgonzola, just use blue cheese. So now I have cooking cream. I'm gonna not heat up because when you heat up cream, right, you have that small crust, or you start to burn.
Okay. So slowly, gently warm it up.
Yes. So now I'm gonna put my blue cheese in. Okay. I'm gonna show you what is called real mozzarella. You know, the ones you have at Pizza Hut and stuff like that. Sorry. I can't take that. This is real mozzarella. This is real Italian mozzarella. Remember in my previous episode I said on pizza, right, they have red, white, and green. The red is the tomato sauce, the green is the basil. This is the white. This is the real stuff. This is the real deal, guys. Real deal. Alright, you can see it's already melted, right? Oh, it's like beautiful, right? I'm gonna add a bit of water first.
Okay, water?
Water, yeah, that's good. Okay, because when you go in the gnocchi, it's gonna be thick. Alright, so you can see my beautiful gnocchi is homemade. See, it's beautiful. I'm gonna throw this in. Swirl this around. Swirling. I'm gonna bring it up to about medium heat. And you don't want to go on high heat with this because the cream will actually burn. And then really you have creme brulee, burnt cream.
And also it was split, right?
Yeah, it was split and then. Oh yeah, I have an interesting fact actually.
What's it?
Do you know that if you have split cream, you should continue beating it or whipping it until it splits completely. You know why?
I know why. Tell them why.
Because it will become butter. And then the rest you can use buttermilk.
Thicken already.
Okay, thicker. I'm going to add in my pecorino. Pecorino. That's why you don't add salt inside your gnocchi because this is salty.
Okay.
This is salted. This is like a salty version of Parmigiano. So this is about a handful. So now you can see it's melted, right? Okay, now I'm going to add in my Parmigiano. Okay, I'm going to grate it. Check out how fresh it is, how soft it is. It's like snow. And winter is coming also. This is actually winter food.
Jon Snow.
My name is Lionel Snow. More of the pasta water. Just one spoon, just to not let it thicken up so much. And then now it's the plating. So I'm just gonna put it nicely. You see the coating.
Okay, now the most important part.
Yes, I'm gonna split the mozzarella. Check this out. Check out the lines. Check out the curves. Check it out, it's so strandy. Always break mozzarella, hey, it's so rustic. You know, I just can't help it just to break it up. That's how much you should break. Fresh baby spinach. And then after I'm gonna top it up with my olive oil. Babe, Italians love olive oil, I also love olive oil. But it's oily, like me. A dash of pepper, and you're done. So simple.
Beautiful.
Subscribe to Forecast more of these fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef Lionel.
No problem.
Miss.
Miss.
And cut.